Copper wire commonly used in jewelry comes in many colors and sizes. Here are some sizes we usually use: 0.3, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and 1 mm. 0.3 is equal to 28 gauge. It's very thin, so we normally use it to make some small charm, together with 2 mm beads. 0.4 is equal to 26 gauge, and the bangle you see, the thin wire, and the charm, the thin wire used for wrap, is 26 gauge. 0.6 is equal to 22 gauge. It can be used to making the rings, the bride ring. The ring cannot adjust the size. 0.8 mm is equal to 20 gauge. We often use it to make the bracelet and the bangle. It will be not so easy to be out of shape. 1 mm wire is equal to 18 gauge. It can be made with a lot of the bangle. Bangle match with the 8 mm or 10 mm beads. 1 mm wire is also good to making the open ring. It's an adjustable ring, so it will be more strong. These wires are fitted and waterproof. You can find the wire in my webshop. Thank you for subscribing.